Giron, le premier arrêt de notre séjour cubain. Our home for 2 days. Diving. This is where we're diving, right off the coast. So how was your first dive ever?
Nerve-wracking, incredible, small bits of fear, definitely fear. It was hard to kind of get used to the balance of it, but no, overall really good.
You like the fish?
Yeah, beautiful fish, a lot of fish, mainly around this size, a lot of little ones, some beautiful coral. So stunning water, very clear. And
Playa Giron, day 2. Et notre taxi. Founded in 1514 by the Spanish, Trinidad is one of the oldest towns in America and apparently one of the best preserved Spanish colonial towns. Beach today. Not sure if the train is going today. La vallée de los Ingenios se situe juste à côté de Trinidad. Dans cette vallée ont prospéré de nombreux ingenios, des machines à transformer la canne à sucre en sucre. De ces plantations, il ne reste aujourd'hui que les tristes tours de surveillance des esclaves et quelques demeures des exploitants. We still got to taste sugarcane juice. Made a 300 years jump from Spain to France. Unlike most of Cuba's towns, Cienfuegos was founded in 1819 by French migrants who came from Louisiana. José Martí, one of Cuba's most famous poets and free thinker. Arc de Triomphe, just like in Paris. We're in Viñales and we're taking the tour bus. It's just for us. This is what we eat pretty much every day. Arroz moro, rice and beans, yuca, vegetable salad, and some sweet potato chips. Viñales is the main tobacco growing area, and today we learn how to make a cigar. These are 3-month-old tobacco plants. Then the tobacco dries for 3 months on these sticks. I asked this guy if he wanted to move, but he stayed. And then after 3 years of fermentation, you can make a cigar with it. We pay a visit to the public library in Viñales. You can find the story of the aggressions of the US against our America, a book from Karl Marx. Many books from the Che, including his diary in Bolivia and histories about other revolutions. Et même une section d'ouvrages révolutionnaires français, Germinal, et La nausée de Sartre. The most Cuban thing to do is chill on your porch in your rocking chair. À Cuba, on loge toujours chez l'habitant et tous les matins on a droit à un petit déjeuner gargantuesque. Ce matin avec une superbe vue. Today we rented bikes to visit the stunning surroundings of Viñales. Traffic jam in Viñales. Ah, un apéro bien mérité avant notre départ pour la Habana demain.
Follow our adventures to La Habana on the next video.